Need a heat press that delivers clean, professional results without costing a fortune? In this video, we're counting down 7 affordable options for different projects, skill levels, and budgets. Updated purchase links are in the description. Starting our ranking at number 7 is the Slendor 5-in-1 Heat Press, a versatile choice for anyone who wants to create more than just custom t-shirts. Its large 15 by 15 inch pressing surface gives you enough room for full-size graphics, while the included attachments let you work on hats, mugs, plates, coasters, and other personalized items without buying separate machines. That makes it especially useful for beginners launching a small crafting business or anyone who enjoys making gifts at home. The swing-away design moves the hot plate away from your hands when you position the material, which feels safer and also makes alignment much easier. You can adjust the pressure depending on the thickness of the item, while the digital display lets you control the temperature and pressing time without guessing. Once the timer finishes, an audible alert tells you the project is ready, helping prevent overcooked transfers. The heating plate also includes a non-stick coating and protective sheets, so cleaning is simpler and there is less risk of damaging the fabric. It is fairly heavy and needs a dedicated workspace, so it is not the most portable option here. Still, at around $200, its wide range of attachments and generous pressing area make the Slendor a practical entry point for users who want flexibility without investing in several individual machines. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Moving into 6th place, we have the Akidi Multifunction Heat Press, a more complete setup for creators who want to work across several product types without constantly switching between separate machines. The main flat press is suitable for shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and other fabric projects, while the included attachments open the door to customizing mugs, hats, plates, and similar items. That flexibility is especially valuable for small business owners who want to test different products before deciding which ones sell best. The digital control panel keeps the process straightforward, allowing you to set the temperature and pressing time with clear buttons and easy-to-read displays. Its swing-away arm gives you more room to position each design accurately, and it also keeps the heated plate away from your hands while you prepare the next item. Adjustable pressure helps you get more consistent transfers on materials with different thicknesses, which can make a noticeable difference when moving from lightweight shirts to heavier garments. At around $250, it is not the cheapest machine in the ranking, and the number of accessories means it will need a reasonably organized workspace. However, for anyone planning to sell several kinds of personalized products, the added versatility can save money compared with buying each press separately, making the Akidi a practical option for growing beyond basic t-shirt projects. At number 5, the OE 5-in-1 Heat Press is a strong option for anyone who wants dependable results without limiting their creativity to clothing alone. Its 15 by 15 inch main platen provides plenty of room for t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, mouse pads, and larger designs, while the mug, hat, and 2-plate attachments make it easy to expand into personalized gifts or a wider product catalog. What really improves the experience is the combination of a fully rotating swing-away arm and a slide-out base. Together, they give you more space to position transfers accurately while keeping your hands farther from the heated surface. The digital controller lets you set the exact time and temperature, and an audible alarm tells you when the press cycle is complete, so you're not constantly watching the clock. Its double-tube heating system is designed to spread heat more evenly across the platen, helping reduce faded areas or transfers that do not adhere properly. Overheat protection, insulated padding, and the included reusable protective sheet add extra peace of mind during longer crafting sessions. It is a fairly substantial machine, so you will need a stable table and enough room for the arm to rotate. Even so, at roughly $200, the OE earns 5th place by combining useful safety features, a generous pressing area, and enough attachments to support both hobby projects and a growing customization business. Coming in at number 4 is the Chevron Auto Heat Press, and this one is designed for people who care more about speed and consistency than handling every step manually. Instead of pulling down a heavy lever and guessing the right pressure, you simply place your project on the lower tray, choose the time and temperature, and let the machine press automatically. That makes it a great fit for beginners, busy crafters, or small shops producing repeated designs on t-shirts, sweatshirts, tote bags, pillowcases, and other flat items. The large pressing surface gives you room for bigger graphics, while the pull-out drawer makes it much easier to align transfers without working directly beneath a hot plate. It can also adjust its pressure to suit different material thicknesses, helping reduce uneven corners and poorly bonded areas. Another useful touch is the automatic release at the end of each cycle, so you're less likely to ruin a transfer because you became distracted. The clean controls and preset modes also shorten the learning curve when you are switching between vinyl, sublimation, and other common applications. At around $350, it costs more than the manual presses already covered, and it is mainly intended for flat projects rather than mugs or hats. Still, the Chevron earns 4th place because its hands-free operation saves time, reduces effort, and produces more repeatable results. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Taking the 3rd spot is the Viver 8-in-1 Heat Press, a solid choice for anyone who wants one machine that can handle a wide range of custom products. The 15 by 15-inch flat platen gives you enough space for t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, pillow covers, and larger transfers, while the additional attachments let you move into mugs, caps, plates, and other popular gift items. That makes it especially useful for a small business that wants to offer more variety without filling the workspace with several separate presses. The swing-away design gives you clear access to the lower platform, making it easier to center your artwork and reducing the chance of touching the hot surface while loading materials. You can adjust the pressure for thinner or thicker items, and the digital controls allow you to set the temperature and timer for each type of transfer. Once the cycle ends, the audible signal helps you remove the project at the right moment instead of relying on guesswork. The coated heating surface and insulated pad also make everyday cleaning and maintenance less demanding. Keep in mind that this is a large, fairly heavy setup, and changing attachments may take a little practice at first. Even so, at around $218, the Vivor stands out for offering plenty of flexibility, a generous work area, and strong value for creators ready to expand beyond basic shirts. In 2nd place, we have the Viver 8-in-1 Combo Heat Press, a flexible setup made for users who want to turn one workstation into a small customization studio. Its 15 by 15-inch flat platen handles shirts, hoodies, bags, cushions, and larger transfers comfortably, while the included attachments let you work on mugs, caps, plates, and other gift-ready products. That range is useful if you're starting a side business and do not yet know which items your customers will request most often. The pull-out lower platform makes loading fabric and lining up graphics much easier, especially when accuracy matters on detailed designs. A swing-away arm moves the hot plate completely out of the way, giving you more room to position each project and helping reduce accidental contact with the heating surface. Time and temperature are controlled digitally, so once you find settings that work for a material, repeating the same result becomes much simpler. Pressure can also be adjusted for different thicknesses, whether you're pressing a lightweight shirt or a bulkier sweatshirt. The main drawback is that changing attachments takes extra time, so it is better suited to varied batches than rapid switching between products. At about $229, this Vivor earns 2nd place by offering an excellent balance of capacity, versatility, safer handling, and room to grow without demanding a major upfront investment. And taking the #1 spot is the Chevron Auto Heat Press, the most well-rounded choice in this ranking for anyone who wants professional-looking results with less effort and a much easier learning curve. Instead of relying on a manual lever, the machine applies pressure automatically so you can focus on positioning the design correctly rather than wondering whether you pressed hard enough. The pull-out tray makes loading shirts, tote bags, pillow covers, and other flat items feel safer and more comfortable, while the 15 by 15-inch working area gives you enough room for both small logos and larger graphics. Its digital controls let you adjust time and temperature clearly, and the preset modes are especially helpful when switching between common materials or repeating the same type of order. Once the cycle starts, the press handles the rest and releases automatically when the timer ends, which reduces the risk of leaving a transfer under heat for too long. It also heats quickly, making it more practical when you have several items waiting. The main limitation is that it focuses on flat projects, so it is not the right choice for mugs or hats without separate equipment. Still, at around $236, the Chevron offers the strongest combination of convenience, consistency, safety, and value, making it the easiest recommendation for beginners, regular crafters, and small businesses alike.